Visit the Gmail website, open a web browser and go to the Gmail website, www.gmail.com. Click on Create Account on the Gmail homepage. Click on the Create Account button. Fill in your personal information, enter your first and last name in the respective fields. Choose a username for your email address. This will be your unique Gmail address, example@gmail.com. If your desired username is not available, Gmail will suggest alternative options. Create a strong password. Choose a strong password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure it is at least 8 characters long and is something you can remember. Enter your phone number and recovery email. You have the option to provide your phone number and an alternative email address for account recovery purposes. This can help in case you forget your password or need to recover your account. Add your birth date and gender. Enter your birth date and select your gender from the options provided. This information is used to personalize your Gmail experience but is optional.